first step is to go File and open up the various parts. So we'll look in exercise 12, we'll open the blade, and then what we'll do is we will go File, Open, and we'll open the handle. All of these files remain open and they're just underlaid under each other, and the last thing to pick is the Revit. Now these three parts make up the whole of the marking knife. Then what we'll do is export to or make assembly from part or part assembly, and what it does is it opens up a similar screen. On the feature manager here we have insert component, and you can see the three components we've opened. So we'll pick blade, just click on it and click out in the graphics area then. Now it drops in the blade. Now if you notice beside the blade over there has F beside it, meaning that it's fixed. Now once that's done, our next step is to go File, Save As, and this time it's saved as an assembly, and what you can do is then rename it. And it's SLDASM, meaning assembly. Insert component then, and what we're going to do is scroll down here, very similar to last time, pick handle this time. And just, you can get a preview of it, click it away from the handle so you have a bit of free space, and just click to drop it. Now once it's dropped in, what we'll have to do then is mate that handle to the blade. So we pick mate up here, and what we'll do is we'll pick a surface that is common on both of them. We can make the two of them coincident. There's the edge of them, and there's coincident, and you have it there in the graphics area as well, and tick OK. Same here in the end, always try and pick surfaces that are common, and now it lines up there. And we'll just tick OK. And our last surface is the two surfaces that are stuck together. So the exact same thing again. Select the surfaces with the mate open and we'll make them coincident. Now that that's done, our next step is to tick OK or close mate, insert component. Now this time we're going to pick handle again, and we'll just drop it away from our assembly. And if you notice that our handle here is facing the wrong way around, what we must do is up here we have rotate component. So we just pick rotate, and we can just click on the edge of it, of the handle, and we can just, by holding left click down, we can rotate it and just get it roughly into position, somewhere like that. Pick mate, and it's the exact same method again. Surfaces that are common, and mate them to be coincident. And you can see there that it can only move up and down due to being locked in and due to the edge. And then we just pick the large surface and tick OK. Now our final step here is to go insert component again, and we'll just pick the Revits. And you get a preview of them out there, but with two of them to put in. So we'll click the keep visible icon, which can be very handy at times, and it just lets you, if you click twice, you get two Revits in. And next step then is to select the cylindrical shaft and mate it coincident. You can see the circle popping up there, coincident or concentric, and you mate the two of them to be concentric. So select the surface of the Revit and the surface of the hole, and again it's concentric, and just make sure the concentric is shown, tick OK. And you can see then that if you click on the Revit, it moves up and down through the hole. And just to finish it off, select the top surface of the Revit and the surface of the handle and mate them to be coincident. Same for both of them. And there it's locked in. Now if we just notice one thing, and then we just save it. If you notice one thing here, our Revits there, there's or beside X, the blade F, meaning that the blade is fixed, but if you notice with the Revits there's a minus symbol. That means that they're not fully defined, and that is due to the simple fact by turning on the origins here, you can see the origins of the rivets. And due to them being concentric, it means that the origins can spin around, but they're still locked in. So